What's up, guys? I'm back with a video. So I live in the great state of Michigan with the Great Lakes. I'm in the United States, that's where I'm located. And where I live, we tend to get cold temperatures, snow and ice, and those types of inclement weathers, you know, in certain parts of the year. And we're approaching that time of year, so that's going to seriously prohibit what type of videos I can make. What's up, turkeys? But I feel like we still got a couple more days yet I could get in. Oh yeah. So as y'all can see, it's raining right now. I'm heading toward probably where the storm's coming from, or the rain's coming from, but it's lighter over there, so hopefully I can get out from underneath this cumulonimbus cloud. It's actually not that bad riding in the rain on this day, as long as it's not like downpouring. Of course, don't do nothing freaking stupid. Tighten up this glove. Back wheel slipping. I guess that's what 240 wheel horsepower does, huh? Alright, so it looks like it kind of stopped raining up this way. You can see the redness of the rain on the ground, but okay, now it's getting more wet. Let me wipe this camera off. $3.32 a gallon. Gas expensive. Woo. If you ain't never done that, you ain't really living. I gotta be careful though, because this is where I got pulled over last time. I guess he was getting off on his exit up here. The state boy saw me. I was basically all the way over here in this lane. There was no construction at the time. And I had my hair in my face and I'm just going, looking down. And I guess he was about to get off right here. And he saw me blow by him at 126. And I got off about 2 exits up here. Everybody asked me, oh, you on the H2? Why you ain't run? Why you ain't run? Well, I got off at the exit, and I went to go turn right, and I was sitting at the light for like 15 seconds. And all of a sudden, he pulls up next to me. I'm like, oh, shoot, probably because I don't got my plate on me, because I got pulled over the day before for the same reason. And I'm like, all right, shoot, maybe it's for that. I don't know. I don't really condone running from the police, so I just pulled over. And he gets out the car. He's like, yeah, I hope you know I'm towing this thing today. I'm like, oh, shoot, not the H2. Because, you know, these tow truck drivers, 9 times out of 10, not really caring what they're towing. They're going to get paid either way. They don't care about the property. I'm just thinking like, yeah, this ain't the bike you really want to get towed. But it is what it is. I made out good. He gave me a ticket. He could have arrested me for reckless driving, but he let me off. Riding this thing, man. That's the longest H2 wheelie in history. I'm claiming it right now. Y'all seen it here first. I started in second, shifted to third. I'm up in the boost where I'm making huge amount of boost up there. I shifted in the fourth, kept it going. I saw 139 on the dash. GPS probably like 133 or something, but that's how you're supposed to ride this bike, man. That is how y'all supposed to ride this bike. Stock wheelbase at least. And it's raining out here. I'm a daredevil. What can I say? Let me calm my ass down though. This thing's still recording though. It is, yes sir. Alright, so we caught that on camera. I'm gonna put this thing in rain mode because I don't like the way things are looking right now. That wheelie was exhilarating. But yeah, I mean, shoot. Y'all let me know who else doing that, cause that wheelie was for the books. Not to say nobody's never wheelied the H2, but like, that boy was pretty long. And I ain't rode this bike in like some days. And I only really went out last week and did a wheelie practice vid. And shoot, that was like my second wheelie today. Man, I rode that boy out. Y'all seen it. That wasn't no camera trickery or nothing. I just went for it. I did it, no CGI. Hey, all I know is, shoot, if one of these action movies, like I know that Top Gun Maverick coming out with Tom Cruise, he's riding the H2 in it. Shoot, if y'all need a stunt man, let me know. I got y'all. Cause I'm doing it. Okay, and I know Tom Cruise ain't really in no H2. And the stunt man, I know he ain't ready for it either. So if y'all need a tried and true and tested and experienced rider on the H2, hit my line. Don't gotta show my face or nothing. Just add me in the credits. We'll call it good. Alright, I'm about to do some good old-fashioned lane split. LSX Brothers. I think he got a YouTube channel. Talk about a shortcut. I could just get right back on. Look at them, they getting right back on the highway. Them some sneaky ass little people, man. Can't trust nobody these days, man. People can't do nothing about the books. Everybody gotta cut corners of life. Look at that rainbow. But yeah, I just wanted to keep y'all updated and informed of what's coming, what's gonna happen with the channel during the winter months. But I'll be back, rest assured. That's gonna wrap this one up. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.